who are we there? Check handover of 100,000.
So I'm pleased to welcome you all to the launch of this year's Safari Marathon. As I say, the 24th edition. And I'm thrilled to see so many familiar faces here, and obviously look forward to seeing many of those familiar faces and more at the event in June. The 2023 Marathon promises to be an even bigger and better event than before, and we proved last year that following the pandemic, people are keen to get out and back into nature. This year, we're encouraging you to ditch the desk and come run in the wild in one of Kenya's World Heritage Sites.
After 2 years pandemic, last year we come back to Lewa again. It's a very fantastic journey for both of us, for all of us. Actually, last year is my first time to be there. It's very amazing. You know, when I just arrived, I'm a little bit concerned.
As a company, we are committed to supporting the growth and development of sports. In terms of the youth, that's a big part of what we believe in. And then also conserving the environment. And as Mike says, at this point in time, we cannot take that for granted. Somebody said, I think it was the late Professor Wangari Maathai, nature is very unforgiving. If you don't take care of nature, then we'll pay the consequences.